I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering down and fully unplugging the Xbox One X. This prevents shorts and protects data. Once unplugged, wait about 10 minutes so residual charge dissipates, and then remove the faceplate and outer shell using a T8 or T10 and a plastic spudger. You're doing this now because internal connectors are delicate. Keep screws in labeled groups and photograph each step for reassembly. Make sure the replacement drive is a 2.5 SATA HDD or SSD, and format tools are ready on a USB drive. Once the shell is open, locate the drive caddy and remove the retaining screws. You'll then carefully disconnect the SATA power and data ribbon by lifting at the connector. Avoid yanking the cables. Insert the new 2.5 drive into the caddy, align screw holes, and secure it so the SATA connector lines up perfectly. Reconnect the cables firmly and reassemble the case only loosely. This lets you power up the console to verify the drive is recognized before you fully tighten everything and finalize the seals. With the new drive installed, plug in a USB recovery stick prepared with the Xbox OS and boot the console into recovery mode. Follow the on-screen installer to write the system image to the new drive. Once done, sign into your account to resync cloud saves or transfer from your backup. If the console fails to detect the drive, make sure connectors are seated. Try reseating or swapping the SATA cable, and test with another known good 2.5 drive. Loose contacts and bad cables are the most common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.